What's up, DC Nation? Today we have the all-new PSA, that's Premium Single Axle Utility by Diamond C. It's a model we built for a lot of years, discontinued in 2021, but because you ask, we brought it back with a host of new features. Up front, we've got the Demco Easy Latch coupler, a nice flip-up jack so it's out of the way. You don't have to worry about dragging it or your tailgate hitting. At the front is one of the really new features that we're excited about. It's a 10-inch deep tongue storage box. It's got a trade lid so you can throw, random straps, things on top of it if need be at the campsite or whatnot. You can also strap down a small cooler or something like that if need be, if you don't have room in the back of the truck, but also opens up to give you ample storage inside. When you look inside, you notice there is a rod with a handle. What that's for is your spare is mounted on a winch under the box. It's integrated in the bottom of the box. Really cool, out of the way. It was a problem that we solved because a lot of folks didn't like the spare on the side of the trailer. It kind of obstructed the rear view, wasn't symmetrical, was kind of uneven. And then on the front, we didn't want the tongue super long to put it between the box and the tongue. So where'd we put it? It is under the box. Nice, neat, out of the way. We kept some of the same features as the PSA had. The 4-inch engineered channel frame, a 4-inch engineered channel tongue, super strong and durable, lightweight, being engineered higher yield strength material. You'll notice the uprights have these holes cut out in them. It's interesting because those double as tie downs for you. It's not wasted space like on a normal utility or other brands. Now this one features the expanded metal side option, which is cool because it keeps all your stuff pretty secure. You don't have to strap it down so well or worry about it coming through between the uprights. So without the expanded metal, you can actually get to the uprights on the tie downs on the uprights or come over the rail to it. But when you opt for that expanded metal, you also get extra tie downs welded inside the trailer, which is really nice. Back up, we've got the sealed balled in pipe. So no ugly plastic pipe caps that'll fall out there or welded on. This is from the factory, from the mill or from the steel supplier, already balled in. So it's a nice clean finish. That's something we did forever. One of the first ones in the industry to use that material on this top rail. Moving back to the fender and the step and all, this is a redesign for us, this kind of Jeep fender. It's a 14 gauge steel, so it's a little thicker than the industry standard of a 16 gauge. It's hardy, you can use it as a flat top if you need to set something there, no big deal. If you were to step on it, you're not gonna hurt it. The steps are redesigned. Nothing crazy there, just a nice new element of design and kind of self-cleaning. You got mud on your boots, it'll go right through those slots. Running steel, a 205 15-inch wheel and tire, radial tire, a good tire, long lasting. When we're looking at the suspension, it actually has an upgrade option available. So this is a 3,500 pound axle. You can actually opt up to a 6,000 pound axle as well, which is really cool. Just ups your payload. You got these like Polaris Ranger Crews now that weigh 1,800 pounds or 2,000 pounds when they're decked out. That kind of thing. You probably want to opt up to that heavier axle. Gives you a 10 ply 225 tire. Just a little heavier upgrade. Most folks, 90% of customers, 3,500 pound axle is fine, but we have that axle upgrade if needed. Where the fun really begins, or where it has existed on the PSA, but we've enhanced it, is our easy bifold gate. My dad actually designed the bifold gate like this with the burn shapes between it and not the barrel hinges. A nice and clean design that's pinch friendly. It doesn't pinch you when you fold it up. And so this design we've had for, gosh, 25 years-ish. And so we're really proud of it. It's a signature of Diamond C, but we've actually made it better. And how we did that was using all laser cut parts for your uprights, your hinges, and the bottom hinges. When we quit building the PSA, we didn't have the ability to have those laser cut parts. So you had a little looser tolerance, if you will. Now it's nice and smooth. It's a lot tighter tolerances. You've still got the gas spring that helps with that, keeping it up, helping you open the outer half, but also locks it in the down position for travel. So it's nice and easy. You can see that's just one hand operation there. We got the cool springs on the bottom that help with the weight of the gate when you're letting it down. You can see that. super easy there. It gives you a nice gradual approach angle for zero-turn mowers, side-by-sides, ATVs, you name it, what you need to haul on this trailer. You've got a nice gradual approach angle with a durable gate. The gate also, when it's folded, it cuts down that wind drag, so it's not like a parachute hanging out there behind you going down the road. The other thing to note on the new PSA, it has a sealed wiring harness running throughout, so it's nice, durable. It's an automotive grade harness, all LED lights. You've got your new step here on the corner as well. We've added functionality there. The PSA is really loaded for that guy or gal who is into adventure, right? Whether it's hauling a mower, side-by-side, ATV, you're going to the trails, you're using it for work, whatever your lifestyle is when it comes to needing a single axle utility trailer, the PSA is your go-to. Jump on diamondsea.com. There you can outfit one to fit the lifestyle you live and the fun you want to have.